So I'm having some bike problems today. What I've done is I'm just trying to get the cable through, internal cabling for the Avanti Cadent. So what I've got here is, you can see a hole right here. In fact, I'll just get a torch so you can see it better. There's the hole there. Right, the cable's got to go through there, and then it should come out just here, where again there is another hole there. However, if I put the cable into it, just pick up a cable. Sorry about the video quality. If I try to put the cable in, what's happening is I'm only getting so far, just a few mil, before it actually gets blocked in there. So it's really frustrating me.